Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have 10 pack in one file or one video. Here is book mockup, here is driving school banner and landing page, here is kitchen scenes, here is a perspective logo mockup, and here is block stuck delivery bag mockup, and here is plumber banner and landing page, concrete t-shirt design, and here is a realistic business card mockup, wine glass mockup, and wood logo mockup. So you see here you can import your own logo design or your own poster, depend your own choice. Here is action business card struck action, and here is preview, and next is PSD file. That's mean here is a PSD file, one is ATN file for action, and these files are preview. That's mean total 12 files are business card mockup. For example, I drag this file to Photoshop, sorry for this, and you see card design. Here is our design, two topics, and here is card design, replace with any photo, girls. For example, I replace this, drag there, no, okay, Control S, and you see our business design is here, and background color, you can apply any background on your own choice, and here is stock, extract, and select any color. Top pixel tool, depend your own choice. Okay, and here is main design. Now so you can adjust one by one, depend your own choice. For example, drag this, import your design and apply there. For example, Control Shift E, create new layer, press Control A, and then Control backspace for color black. Opacity is 72. I make a simple designs of business card, create business. Okay, Sheri shopping center. For example, I tell you just for example, here, and right here name or address etc. Control S, updating smart objects, wait, you see our photo design in these files are these card. Okay, you can design your own choice. No, okay, and last sorry, and here is driving school. Here is AI file, EPS file for Adobe Illustrator. You see you can write anything about your driving school or driving post. Kitchen scenes, here is two different folder, one for PNG, and here is suite PSD. Wow, you pick up one by one and adjust anywhere. Custom, change color, here is shadow, you see, custom design, and replace images. For example, I open any, for example, like this, and Control S. Oh, okay. And you see our design on this pack, so you can replace any other photo. So I close this file. Okay, same here, okay. You see here is just writing preview file. Next is a perspective logo mockup. Here is 12 files, that means 6 files. 6 are JPG for preview and 6 are PSD for mockup. Simply I drag this file, replace me, replace your logo. I don't apply any logo, just write a name, Sheri SK in black color. Font is press shift, Control S. Wow, our logo on paper, on invoice. Okay, and here is a wood style diary, and here is paper. Plastic delivery mockup, like a lace pack or slanties etc. Here is color. Oh, double click, import, or write anything like Sheri SK E. Now press shift, depend your own choice, you can Control S. You see our design is here. And last is book mockup. Here is t-shirt in different 4 format. Here is PNG, AI, EPS. So you can change color, everything on Adobe Illustrator. Here is penny gloss mockup. Import your logo here. You see color. Wow. Last is book mockup. Replace your book mockup. I hope these files are useful for you. Subscribe me on Telegram channel Sheri SK Official. Take care, Allah Hafiz.